Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be talking about this particular topic, plane figures. What are plane figures? Say, plane figures are two-dimensional shapes, which includes what? The square, the rectangle, the triangle, the circle, the trapezoid, the parallelogram, the kite, and the rhombus. When we say plane shapes are two-dimensional shapes, what do we mean by the word dimensional? Two-dimensional shapes, they are talking about each one of these shapes has what they call the base and the height. When you look at a square has what? Height, and it has what? The base. When you look at a rectangle, it has what? Height, and it has what? Base. That is, in the rectangle they call it length and breadth, but the same thing as well, the height and width. The triangle also have its own height and width. Each one of these shapes height have their own what? Height and base. So that is why it is called what? Two-dimensional shapes. So we also have the one of three-dimensional shapes. Those ones are solid shapes. Those ones they have what? Height, base, and what? Height. Height, base, and what? And length rather. Talking about maybe a cylinder. The cylinder length and the height, they are what? Different, because the length is measured externally outside the cylinder, while the depth or the height is measured what? Internally. Your foot flaps, you understand with me that what? The height outside is not the same thing as the height inside. So then the base. So that is why those ones are called what? Three-dimensional shapes. But today we are talking about the two-dimensional shapes. The squares, the rectangle, the triangle, the circle, and so on. Now we're going to discuss on the properties of some of these particular shapes. The first one and foremost we're going to discuss is what? The properties of what? A square. I believe that we all have seen the shape of a square. As you can see on the board, a square I have here. The sides of a square are what? They are the same. You have that as your number 1 point. That all the sides of a square are what? The same. They are equal. All the sides. All the sides. And that is the reason why these marks are there. All the sides are what? Equal. Look at a square. Then next, under a square, we talk about what? The angles. The angles. Each angles are equal. Each angles are equal. Each angle. And what is an angle? We say what? An angle is the distance between two straight lines. When I draw a straight line, I'll draw another straight line. The distance between the two straight lines is called what? An angle. So all the angles of a square are all equal. Another point, another property of a square is that what? Each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Each angle of a square. Each angle of a square is equal to what? 90 degrees. Each of the lines. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees. They are all 90 degrees. And another one is that what? It has 4 lines of symmetry. It has what? It has 4 lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry. What do you mean by the lines of symmetry? The lines of symmetry are the lines with which we can what? Fold a shape into equal halves. What did I say? I said that the lines of symmetry are what? They are the lines with which we can what? Fold a shape into what? Equal halves. Now the square has 4. It has 4 lines of symmetry. It means that you can fold a square this form and it will have what? You'll be having what? Equal size or equal size of the shape. Another one, you can fold it through this way. You also have another what? Equal parts. Into 2 equal parts. So those are lines of symmetry. We have 1, we have what? 2. Another line of symmetry concerning a square is this form. A square can also be divided, can also be folded in this form, and it will give you equal parts. Another one is this. A square can be folded in this form and it will give you equal parts. So that is why it is said to that a square has 4 lines of symmetry. What I say lines of symmetry are? Lines of symmetry, they are lines with which we can fold a shape into equal parts. Then how many does a square have? A square has 4 lines of symmetry. Also, next we have the sum. the sum of the angles. The sum of the angles equals what? 360 degree. The sum of the angle equals what? 360 degree. When we say the sum, sum means what? The addition. The total of all the angles inside the square equals what? 360 degree. When you add the 90, I told you that each one of the angles is 90 degree. So when you add the 4 and 90 together, you get 360. Another one is that what? A square is what? Is a quadrilateral. What did I say? A square is a quadrilateral. The square is a quadrilateral. What are quadrilaterals? What are quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals are what? They are plane figures that has 4 sides. Quadrilaterals are plane figures that has what? 4 sides. So these are the properties of what? A square. When we say properties, we are talking about those things that you see surrounding a what? A square. If any one of these property is not in your particular shape, that means that what? That particular shape that you have is not a square. If that shape does not have all its sides to be equal, if the angles are not equal, the angles are not 90 degrees, it does not have 4 lines symmetry, that shape cannot be regarded as what? A square. So these are the identifications. These are what you use to identify a square. These properties. Any shape that does not have this property cannot be regarded as what? A square. So we'll move on to the next one. Is the properties of a rectangle. The properties of a rectangle. Now this is how a rectangle looks like. This is how a rectangle looks like. Now you can see this. This is the real shape of a rectangle. Now how do we identify a rectangle when we see it? We identify a rectangle with the use of the properties of a rectangle. The properties of a rectangle, one is that what? A rectangle is a quadrilateral. A rectangle is what? A quadrilateral, meaning that what? A rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle is a quadrilateral, has 4 sides. Next, opposite sides of every sides are equal and what? Parallel. When they say opposite sides, that is the 2 sides that are facing each other. These 2 sides like this opposite sides, they are what? Equal and what? Parallel. The opposite sides are equal and what? Parallel. You can see these sides and these sides, they are equal. This side and this side, they are equal. And they are also parallel because what? They are facing the same direction. That's the meaning of parallel. They are facing the same direction. So that is the property of what? A rectangle. Each angle equals 90 degrees. Each angle of a rectangle equals 90 degrees. Are we together? Yeah. Next we have the sum of the angles equals 360 degrees. That is adding the 4 angles 90 together, we have 360 degrees. The sum of all the angles will give you 360 degrees. And for a rectangle, it has only 2 lines of symmetry. For a rectangle, it has 2 lines of what? Symmetry. Good. What are lines of symmetry? This. We can say when you fold a rectangle at the middle vertically, you have 2 parts. That also, so that is what we call a line of symmetry. This and this also is a line of symmetry according to what? A rectangle. A rectangle does not have more than 3 lines of symmetry, only 2. Remember I told you that lines of symmetry are what? Lines that help you to fold a shape into equal parts. If you fold this shape this way, it will give you equal parts. Again, when you fold it, you see that what? Something will be happening. They will not lap each other. You will have something like this. You can see. So if you have something like, but when you fold it this way, you can see 1 line of symmetry. You can also fold it this way. You can see. So other ones are not lines of symmetry. It has only 2 lines of symmetry. So that is all about what? Rectangle. So with these properties, you can identify a shape that is what? A rectangle. So next, we have the next one, triangle. The triangle. The triangle is very special, other than the square and the rectangle, which they are just straightforward. The triangle, we have different types of triangle. That makes it special. That makes it so special. And in the world of mathematics, the triangle is a very, very important shape. It's a very, very important shape, rather. And the study of it, the study of the sides and the angles of a triangle, is what we know as the trigonometry. Is what we know as trigonometry. It's the study of the sides and the angles of a triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed what? A closed figure bounded by three straight lines. A triangle, I believe you all know the shape of a triangle. It's a closed figure, as you can see, bounded by what? Three straight lines. This, and what? This. The base. This is a triangle. Now, as you can see this triangle, there are different types of triangles. We have 6 of them. We have one, the equilateral type of triangle, the isosceles, the scalene, the right angled triangle, the obtuse angled triangle, the acute angled triangle. These first 3 types of triangle, these first 3, the equilateral, the isosceles, and the scalene, they are classified according to their what? The sides. According to the sides that the angles possess, the type of side they possess. That's how they classify this equilateral, scalene, and the isosceles based on their size. Then these last 3 are classified based on the type of angles they possess. This one, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. They are classified based on the type of angles they possess. Are we together? So, firstly, we are going to talk about the properties of each one of these type of triangles. Remember, I told you that this triangle is a very special shape. So, we're going to talk about the properties of each one of them, so I can be able to identify them when you see any one of these triangles. Firstly, we have the properties of an equilateral triangle. The properties of an equilateral triangle. 1. All sides are equal. All the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Then maybe in the textbook you see this kind of sign. It shows that these sides are equal. In the equilateral triangle, equi from the word equal. All the sides are equal. Again, all the angles of an equilateral triangle are equal. All the angles are equal. And all the angles, they are all equal to 360 degrees. Each of them is 60 degrees. Talking about equilateral triangle, each of the angles is equal to 360 degrees. Then the sum of the angles equals 180 degrees. That's when you add the angles inside the triangle together, you have 180 degrees. Then for this equilateral triangle, it has 3 lines of symmetry. It has 3 lines of symmetry. These are lines of symmetry. Look at it. You have this way, you have this way, and you have this way. These are the lines of symmetry of an equilateral triangle. Next, we have the properties of an isosceles triangle. 1. Only 2 sides are equal. Look at the shape of an isosceles triangle. Only 2 sides. You can agree with me that this side and this side are not equal, but these 2 are equal. Only 2 sides are equal. Another one is that the base angles are equal. That we are talking about the angles here. The angles here, these 2 angles are equal to each other. So any angle that you have here is the same as the angle here. In this, not all angles are equal, but the base angles, the angles at the base, they are equal. We have also, it has only 1 line of symmetry. It has only 1 line of symmetry. You can only fold this isosceles triangle this way before you can have equal parts. It has only 1 line of symmetry. 3. Now the properties of a scalar triangle. A scalar triangle is a triangle that no side of the triangle is equal. When you see a type of triangle that none of the sides is equal, that type of triangle is regarded as what? A scalar triangle. Also, a scalar triangle has none of its sides, none of its angles rather, none of its angles equal. And it doesn't have any line of symmetry. It doesn't have any line of symmetry. So next one we'll talk about the right angled triangle. The right angled triangle, how do we identify a right angled triangle? The right angled triangle is a triangle with one of its angles equal to 90 degrees. Any triangle that you see that one side is known as, like, you see this sign, this particular sign, you know that what triangle is known as is a right angled triangle. So this side represents 90 degrees. Next, an obtuse angle triangle. An obtuse angle triangle is a triangle with one of its angles greater than 90 degree. So when you see a type of triangle that the distance between two lines is very, very wide, that means that the angle there is more than 90 degree. So it is called an obtuse angled triangle. Then lastly, on triangles we have what? The acute angled triangle. The acute angled triangle is a type of triangle with all the angles. I repeat, it is a type of triangle with all the angles less than 90 degrees. Remember that a triangle has 3 angles. So all the angles, when you have that all the angles are less than 90 degrees, you know that type of triangle is what? An acute angled triangle. So I have told you before, based on sides of a triangle, we have 3 types of triangle. That the equilateral, the isosceles, and the scalar. Based on the angles of a triangle, we also have another 3 types of triangle, which are namely the right angle triangle, the obtuse angle triangle, and the acute angle triangle. So this is where we are going to stop for this lesson. Next time we shall continue on the properties of the other shapes, other plane figures that we have, like the circle, the trapezium, the parallelogram, the kite, and the rhombus. So before the next class, stay calm and stay safe. Thank you very much.